Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to set or change static hostname using nmtui command in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. So first I am logging to the terminal as a root user, because only root user only can change the host entries. Okay, so this is the command hostname ctl. So you can see there is already one static hostname existing. So we are going to change this static hostname using nmtui command. So I am typing the command nmtui. So nmtui is nothing but network manager text user interface. Okay. So now I am changing the static hostname to another one, new entry. Okay. Okay. Quit. That's it. So using nmtui command, setting the static hostname is very simple. So now once again I am typing the command hostname ctl. So you can see that new static hostname is got set here. So I am verifying the cat/etc/hostname file. You can see that new static hostname is got updated in /etc/hostname. So I am optionally restarting systemctl restart systemd -hostnamed services. So this is optional only. If static hostname is not set properly, means you can restart this services. So make sure that your computer is in isolated mode, that is your computer is not in network, or your computer in standalone mode. Okay, then only you should set the or change the host name. So can verify the host name by going to settings. So this is the way you need to set the static host name using nmtui command in RHEL 9.